Okay, part B, use physical principles to explain this result. Yeah, it's kind of obvious. Yeah. So if that's time, and here's my position. So ball X is going to move like that, parabola downwards. So this isn't position along the x-axis, this is time. But this is going at h minus half gt squared. So this is a parabola like that. The other one, ball Y, is going to start here, and it's going to reach its peak at the same time as the other one hits the ground. Is that obvious? Yes, it must be, because it goes up to its peak and then it's going to fall again. So when ball Y falls again, it's going to follow exactly the same track, which means when we reverse it in time, it's got to hit that point there. So that's what ball Y is going to do. So those have got to line up in time. And it's sort of obvious from the diagram almost that there's a quarter, but yeah, it's because this is a parabola. So if this was, say, 1 second, then this crossover is going to be at half a second. Because these are just sort of mirror images of them. So if and this is a parabola, so this distance here, call it, what should we call it? Call it L. So L, that distance is proportional to time squared. So if you halve the time, you're going to quarter the position. So if it's h 1 second, it's going to be h over 4. Distance moved at half a second. Now, is that a physical principle to explain this result?
That's a tricky one.
I don't know. I honestly don't know whether I had to take that any further.
Yeah. There's sometimes, you know, the way of explaining acceleration due to gravity that incorporates the parabolic. You can hold a skipping rope and it gives that curve, and maybe something in that to do with just the natural squared principle. I don't know, but it's.
I think the diagram is quite helpful because it's sort of there now, fairly obvious that this is going to be a quarter of that distance because it's a parabola. You know, half a squared is a quarter, 1 squared is 1. Yeah. That's the best I can do, I think, on that one. I'll go. I don't know whether they published some model answers for it yet.
I haven't seen them. I don't think they are. Yeah. The results haven't been released yet, as far as I know either. So.
Okay, so unlikely to publish model answers then. Okay, well, in which case, if I were answering this question for real, I would, at this point, just not think about this one anymore and not waste time when I'm not sure how to go from there. Then go on to part C.